Hey Dick, I'm trying to get some grading done today, so I'm going to do this video for you real quickly. And also this will help you remember how you can do this. What we did for this exam was we made it a safe assignment, so it wasn't actually an exam. So you go into Blackboard, into the area of the course that you want the students to go. So this is going to be under exams. Go to assessments and choose assignment. And I'm just going to type final exam here, and I'm going to say, please, I'm going to have to change this, but please refer to the instructions for the previous exam. And I just realized we're going to have to change that because the instructions for the previous exam aren't here. We're going to attach the final. So you just grab the file and drag it over here. You can see it shows up. And you've got to set the, I'm going to make it 100 points. You've got to set the availability. So I'm going to just go ahead and say it's going to be available tomorrow at 8 a.m. or 7:30 a.m. until tomorrow at the end of day, which is 11:59 p.m. And then I'm going to submit that. Let me actually go here and just copy this information. I'm going to move the final exam up here to the top too, so that when it does become available, it'll be the first thing that they see. And I'm going to paste this in here. And what I will do, if you don't mind, is I will let you just go in and edit these options in whatever way you want them to be edited. So at the link above titled, this will be titled Final Exam. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to shortcut and say if you have any difficulties, please contact Dr. Hammond. That way they can just reach out to me directly. Since that goes a little faster for them and they're not calling Columbia. You can also email your file. That's still going to be the same. And then you want to change these dates so that they're right. And if this is not when you want it, then you just go in and edit. This will already be here. So I'm going to change that to 7 a.m. instead of 7:30. So we have it like your last one. So now the exam is here. They can't see it. They will click here to upload their files. So just double check this and make sure it's right. And when you get ready to do the next one again, just remember, go to the area that you want the exam to be, go to assessments and add an assignment. One more thing I'm going to do for this, I'm going to edit it, is I'm going to set this so that it's a safe assign. So you just go down to submission details and do check submission for plagiarism. That way if they copy an article from the internet, you will catch that. So it's all set now, and edit it any way you need to have it live for your students for the exam. And I hope that in the next day or two, I'm going to be a little more available. This accreditation stuff is about to kill me, but hopefully I will persevere, and I'll talk to you soon. Hope this is a help. Talk to you soon. Bye.